Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Genshin Impact account password. So if you have been using a certain password but now somehow forgotten the password and you want to reset your password in order to recover your account, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your web browser and make sure that you're already on the page that says genshin.mihoyo.com. When you land on this page, you will see an interface that looks like this, and then on the top right corner you can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. When you see the 3 horizontal lines, now what you can do is you can see on the lowestmost section either your username or your email. You can tap on it, which will direct you towards another page. As you get directed towards another page, you will be asked to now log in. So now when you are trying to log in, you can enter your email address here, but then since you are trying to reset your password, you'll have to tap on the forgot password option on the left hand side below the login button. So when you tap on it, now you have to re-enter your email address. So I'm just going to re-enter my email address. You can also type in your username and then tap on next. After you tap on next, you will now start to get verified, so you'll have to solve a really small puzzle. So I'm just going to solve this out, and then you are verified. So now here it's going to ask you for 2 verification methods, that is either through email verification or through your linked mobile number if your account is linked to any one of these. So I'm just going to show you by email verification. So I'm just going to tap on verification code and then tap on send code. And then when you tap on send code, after the verification succeeds, go back to your email and see for yourself if you have received any verification code from Genshin Impact. As soon as you receive a verification code from Genshin Impact, you will have to see through it and then copy or paste or even remember the code and then go and paste it on the same web browser. So here, as you can see, I've already received the code, so I'm just gonna quickly copy this and then go back to the web browser, wait for the browser to settle down, and then on the verification code section I can simply paste the code and then tap on next. After tapping on next, now here I can set in a new password. So I'm just gonna set up a new password really quick and then confirm the new password by retyping it again, and then tap on confirm. After you tap on the confirm button, you will now have to log in. So I'm just gonna type in my email address that I used to sign up and then type in the password that I just reset for my account and then tap on login. Wait for a certain time until you are completely verified. So here the verification has succeeded and I have successfully been able to log into my account, which means that my password has been reset. So this is how easily you can reset your password for your Genshin Impact account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comment section below, and also do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.